From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Equipment manufacturer John Deere South Africa will continue to focus on pursuing innovation on its machines and technology as it looks to strengthen its footprint in Africa. Tasneem Bulbulia tells us more.
The company's construction division last month showcased its equipment and technology solutions to customers at an event in Johannesburg. With an over 140-year history in South Africa, John Deere continues to pursue strengthening its presence in Africa. John Deere Technical Marketing Planner Vikash Upashad outlines one of the company's technologies, the JD Link.
JD Link is a telematics device that we put in all our equipment. John Deere as a company globally, we're not just a machine manufacturer anymore, we are a technology company as well. And with that, we want our customers to be more productive and more hands-on without actually being in the field. And that's what JD Link does for our customers. It allows them to be able to connect with their machines without actually being in the field. With JD Link, it allows for alerts coming from the machinery, as well as looking at utilization of the machine performance-wise, and then also it allows the customer to be more hands-on, so he can see exactly where those machines are running in the field. JD Link's been around for a long time. It actually started off in 2011. And it grew from there. As we started getting more machines connected, we started realizing we can add more value to it. JD Link is basically a controller that sits inside the cab of the machine, and it has a SIM card in it. So with South Africa, we have what we call a Deere-owned SIM, and that runs on all networks in South Africa, roaming through AT&T. With the MTG in the tractor, we are able to connect to the CAN bus of the machine and get all machine data out of it. I think we are industry leading in this. As I said, we invest a lot of money in technology and making sure our customers' needs are met when we bring in a product. And one of the key features that JD Link allows is our dealers to connect to the machines. Like what we have is expert alerts, where we can predict failures on the machine before they actually happen. And I think that's industry exclusive. No other competitor has that feature. A lot of customers and dealers like the technology. Dealers like it because it makes their planning, their technicians, and going out to machines much more smoother, much more efficient. And then for customers, being able to see their machines on the job site without actually being on the ground.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.